Sir, a person who is not flexible, can they do yoga?
Why not? If you do yoga, if you practice, you become flexible. First day, nobody is flexible. Especially after 25, 30 years, we become slightly rigid. You practice yoga, in a month's time, you see tremendous change in your flexibility levels. You want flexibility, only option yoga. In the fitness path, yoga is the only thing. In addition to flexibility, you get strength. You become peaceful. So many side effects. Your skin will start glowing. Why this question? The reason is, by seeing this teachers, yoga teachers, they keep, legs splitting and keeping legs like this, public, people are scared. Yoga means we have to do all these things. No, 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 no. Simple asanas also you can practice. Simple asanas also you can practice. Yeah. Yoga will give you flexibility and strength.